everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajni Verma and you are watching Try to Thrive. So today the day number 31 and we are going to learn another new word. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that if you are facing the same problem that you don't have anyone to speak with, to practice with, just go and check my about section. I have mentioned my Gmail there and you can mail me anytime if you want to have a conversation with me. Okay. Let's start the video. So the word for today is breach. Breach. We can use this word as a noun or as a verb. Okay. Which means an act of breaking rule, law and agreement. An act of breaking rule, law and agreement. इन हिंदी इट्स उल्लंघन करना, किसी भी रूल का, एग्रीमेंट का, ट्रिटी का उल्लंघन करना, तोड़ना, उसको इज ब्रीच. यस. Now, synonyms of the word. So, breaking, infringe, transgress, violation. Breaking, infringe, transgress, violation. Okay. Now, how we can use this word in sentences? So, the first example is, this is clearly a breach of the treaty. This is clearly a breach of the treaty. Now, the second example is, he claims that the city breached an agreement by selling the property. He claims that the city breached an agreement by selling the property. Note down this word in your diary and we will discuss all the words at the end of the week when I will come live on Sunday at 9 p.m. Till then, bye bye, happy learning and don't forget to join the live.